Thanks for joining us on the John Mendola Show. We are driven by McCarthy Tire and Automotive Centers. Well, it's great to check in again. East Stroudsburg women's soccer coach Rob Berkowitz. Well, Rob, last time we talked, the season was just about getting ready to go. Here we are with the women's soccer team ranked. You're 8-1. It's really been a really nice start for you and your ladies there.
Yeah, it definitely has. We actually, it's been 8 in a row. We lost our first one to a very good Kutztown team, and then we've rattled off 8 in a row. So things are going pretty well right now.
Well, Rob, let's talk about you getting great defense. Are you getting a lot of goals? Talk about some of the scores and some of the teams that you've played over those 8 wins.
Yeah, we have a freshman. We've in the goal, it's mainly been one of our freshmen, Jules Harris, and then we have another freshman who's played in 3 games as well. They've exceeded our expectations. We knew we'd be inexperienced in a goal going into the season, but they've both done a tremendous job. And then our back line has been good. Goal scoring has been as spread out as any team I've ever coached or been around. I think we've had 9 different players score goals. Our leading scorer might have 3 goals. Some of our center backs have scored goals, our midfielders, our forwards. So it's been a well-balanced attack, which has been nice.
Yeah, when you talk about that well-balanced attack, talk about people trying to scout you and see what you're doing out there when you have so many different people scoring. I'm sure that's great on your end to say, hey, we could do whatever, and hopefully it's going to work, and it has worked.
Yeah, it has been. It's we've scored. We beat Bloomsburg a couple weeks ago, which was a big win. 2 goals off corner kicks. We've had games where we've scored on free kicks. We've had games where our forwards have scored or our midfielders, and we've had a difficult stretch to date. 8-1 with 8 of the 9 games being in PSAC play. So we're about halfway through the conference slate, and we've gone on the road, beat Mercyhurst, Gannon, and then last Wednesday we beat Westchester, who was number 5 in the country, I believe, in double overtime. So it's been fun so far.
Rob, you got a busy schedule with the guys and the ladies, but talk about how these ladies are now responding to 8-1, because you mentioned you got some young girls in there and some freshmen doing some great stuff, and then you have some experienced players as well. But I'm sure they want a little bit more now that they're 8-1.
Yeah, they do. They do. It's a group that has kind of been through it last year. Unfortunately, we got off to a 5-0 start, climbed up the national ranking pretty quickly. Also got as high as number 6, which we are this week. We were last year, and then the bottom. We had a couple injuries, and the bottom kind of fell out. So I don't know that they were ready to handle the success so early last year. We're much more inexperienced. So now I think they realize it's nice accomplishment. All the recognition that they're receiving is nice, but there's still a lot of work to be done, because they saw at the end of the season last year that being ranked 6th in the country in early October didn't mean anything. So their eye number 1 is making the PSAC conference tournament, going as deep as we can in that, and then if we do well in the second half of the conference stretch, making the NCAA tournament.
Rob Berkowitz, East Stroudsburg University women's soccer coach. They are ranked 6th, as he had mentioned, in the country, and of course playing a great PSAC slate along the way. Rob, how about the psyche of the coach, on your end? Talk about, hey, remembering last year, where you're at, and trying to do what you're doing with your girls there. Is there anything that you try to, do you second guess yourself, or do you say, hey, we're just going to keep doing what you're doing? We had some bad luck last year, and we're going to make sure that we play our best soccer, and hopefully you go to 9-0 or 9-1 or 10-1 or 11-1.
Yeah, I think the big thing, one, we talked about it today, is one, enjoying what we've accomplished to this point. I think we were so focused last year on being nationally ranked and not slipping up that, I don't know, maybe we were a bit too thoughtful and mindful of not slipping up that we did. So now the approach has been enjoy it. We're not going to change anything we're doing. What we've done to this point, we've been pretty successful. We've had a bunch of close games that definitely could have gone either way. So we're stressing to them, yeah, we're 8-1 right now, but we realistically could be, 3-6 with a bad break here or there. So the record it's impressive looking at it from the outside, but we've had some games where we've had some great goalkeeping. We've had some games where we've, finished our chances and been a little bit fortunate. So it can quickly turn, and it did last year, but I think we have to be consistent with the amount of work that we put in and just every day working to get a little bit better.
Rob Berkowitz with his young ladies there at East Stroudsburg University, working hard. They're getting goals from all over the place. Good defense, good job with the keeper, a young freshman, and switching in some girls there. Well, Rob, we hope to talk to you by the end of October, early November, and continued success for you and your program.
All right, thank you. I really appreciate it.
East Stroudsburg University women's soccer here on the John Mendola Show. We are driven by McCarthy Tire and Automotive Centers.